Want to discover South Africa's hidden property gems for 2025 and beyond? I found 5 hotspots where property values could skyrocket. These locations are rich in growth potential and prime for investment. Get ready to be surprised by some names you might not expected. Let's go! In real estate, location is everything. A well-chosen area can turn an average investment into an exceptional one. But it's not just about a nice view. It's about growth, demand, and being in the right place at the right time. Today, I'm revealing hidden gems across all the 9 provinces where 2025 might just be the year they hit big. And I've got some surprising data points and local insights that show why these places are poised for success. Stay tuned. First up, emerging business district. And here is a city that might surprise you. Nelspruit in Mpumalanga. With booming tourism, agriculture, and new office parks, this city is buzzing with growth. Property values rose 12% last year, and with more businesses moving in, demand is set to climb. In fact, recent data shows that Mpumalanga's economy grew by 4.5% last year, with projections indicating thousands of new jobs in commercial hubs like Nelspruit and Mbombela. This growth is driving up demand for nearby residential properties, making these areas highly sought after. I remember when someone mentioned investing here 5 years ago. I thought, really? Nelspruit? But those who took the chance early are now reaping incredible rewards. What do you think? Would you invest in a growing business district like Nelspruit? Stay tuned. Our next hotspot may surprise you. Hotspot number 2, Varsity Towns. I know what you are thinking. Stellenbosch, Grahamstown. Yes, but here is one you might not expect. Let me introduce you to Potchefstroom in the Northwest Province. With growing student demand and new housing development, this town is booming. Here is the stats. Student enrollment here is growing by 8% annually, and with rental demand rising by over 15%, Potchefstroom has become a top choice for property investors looking for steady rental income. Plus, with new government-backed programs for student housing, landlords in towns like Potchefstroom may benefit from tax incentives, creating stable investments that pay off year after year. When I invested in a university town, it was one of the smartest moves I made. Those students kept my property full, no vacancies in sight. Ever thought about investing in a varsity town? Let me know your thoughts below. But wait until you hear about our third hotspot. This one is truly unique and it's one of my personal favorites. Might just surprise you. If you are interested in learning more about these surprising areas, feel free to book a free consultation with me. I'd love to help you plan your next move. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on South Africa's top investment spots. Next, we have urban regeneration zones. Here is the twist. It's not Cape Town or Johannesburg. Look to Gqeberha in the Eastern Cape, where new waterfront development, ecotourism, and large-scale revitalization are transforming the city. Get this, Gqeberha's urban transformation has boosted property values by 20% in key neighborhoods over the past 2 years, with analysts forecasting even more growth as the city continues its revitalization. The Eastern Cape government is investing in public spaces, safer streets, and eco-friendly buildings in Gqeberha, which attract tenants looking for sustainable living options. This focus on eco-friendly development also helps to drive up property values, making it a profitable choice for investors. Imagine the pride of saying you believed in Gqeberha before it became the trendy place to be. You will be owning a part of history and growth. There is still one more to share on why these areas are special for 2025 and beyond. Stick around for one more important insight. Hotspot number 4, coastal getaway towns. South Africa's coastal lines is dotted with hidden gems that are gaining popularity, not just for tourism but also for real estate investment. A town that might surprise you is Hermanus in the Western Cape, known for its whale watching. Hermanus has seen a rise in ecotourism and growing community of remote workers and retirees who want a coastal lifestyle without Cape Town prices. Recent reports show that property values in Hermanus increased by 10% last year alone, with rental demands also rising as more people seek weekend getaways and holiday homes. With the Western Cape government investing in eco-friendly tourism initiatives, properties in towns like Hermanus are seeing long-term value growth. Investors here can benefit from both short-term rental income and long-term property appreciation as demand increases. A friend of mine invested in a coastal property in Hermanus, and she has been amazed by how much it's appreciated in just a few years. Plus, renting it out during peak seasons has become a fantastic income source. Would you consider investing in a coastal town for rental income and capital appreciation? Let me know below. And our final hotspot, it's a true hidden gem that has been flying under the radar. And finally, hotspot number 5, small cities lifestyle centers. These are smaller cities that offer a high quality of life with amenities similar to large cities, making them attractive to young professionals and families. One city to watch is Pietermaritzburg in KwaZulu-Natal, known for its lush green landscapes and vibrant communities. Pietermaritzburg has been experiencing steady growth in property values thanks to its balance of urban convenience and a relaxed lifestyle. Pietermaritzburg saw a 7% rise in property values over the past year, with rental demand increasing as more people seek affordable, family-friendly alternatives to large cities. With the KwaZulu-Natal government investing in local infrastructure such as schools, hospitals, and community centers, Pietermaritzburg is becoming an increasingly popular option for families and professionals, adding stability to the property market here. I once spoke to a property investor who chose Pietermaritzburg over Durban for the better price point and family-friendly environment. Today, they are seeing steady rental demand with tenants who love the lifestyle. What do you think? Is a small city lifestyle center like Pietermaritzburg on your investment radar? Let me know below. Let's recap. Nelspruit is buzzing with growth in business and tourism. Potchefstroom's expanding student population is driving rental demand. Gqeberha's urban revitalization is attracting new interest. Hermanus offers coastal charm with ecotourism growth, and Pietermaritzburg combines affordability with a great lifestyle. Each area is primed for growth in 2025 and beyond, offering unique investment potential. Did any of these stats surprise you? Drop a comment below if you know anyone investing in one of these cities. Next, I've got some insider tips on the local market for each of these areas. And there you have it, the top 5 property investment hotspots in South Africa for 2025 and beyond. Each one is unique with immense potential. If you found this video useful, please share it with one friend. For a deeper dive, book a free consultation below or watch the next video on property trends you can't afford to ignore. Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.